A robot vacuum is a simple way to keep your floors tidy without dedicating your entire weekend to cleaning. Instead of dragging out your hefty vacuum to get rid of dirt, crumbs, and hair ground into the floor, the best robot vacuum cleaners will navigate around the house and clean on their own. However, it's important to find a vacuum that operates quietly, doesn't get stuck, and successfully avoids obstacles in its way. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 robot vacuums on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, features, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. iLife VE's Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner. When it comes to simplifying your home cleaning routine, you don't always have to pay top dollar to get the best product. The iLife VE's Robot Vacuum Cleaner is the least expensive robot vacuum we tested, yet we were surprised to find that it outperforms several other models that cost hundreds more. While it lacks app integration to help you schedule and run your vacuum, the iLife VE's performed excellently during our tests at avoiding obstacles, maneuvering around furniture, and picking up dirt. On rugs and carpeting, we noticed that it made several laps around the surface to pick up every last bit of hair, dirt, and sand in its way, even managing to pick up debris that was deeply embedded in the fibers. This was somewhat surprising to us, as the robot vacuum doesn't have a brush roll to help it capture gunk and hair. Number 2. iRobot Roomba 694 Robot Vacuum. Owning a pet and keeping a tidy home can often feel like polar opposites. But while your robot vacuum won't take your dog for a walk or take care of pet accidents left in the house, it can help keep dirt and pet hair off your floors. We love the iRobot Roomba J7, which did an astounding job at picking up pet hair and dirt without anything getting tangled in the brush roll. This is because the Roomba J7 has rubber brushes on the bottom instead of bristles, which scoop up hair and gunk without excess hair getting caught. The powerful suction allows the vacuum to pick up crumbs and sand with just as much ease on both hard flooring and carpets alike. It received perfect scores on both flooring surfaces, and we found that it was also excellent at maneuvering around socks and other small obstacles scattered on the floor. Number 3. Roborock S8 Plus Robot Vacuum. If the convenience of unsupervised vacuuming and a suite of customizable features are worth the splurge for you, we highly recommend the Roborock S8 Plus. During testing, we found the high-tech features and effortless usability of this vacuum to be more than worth the price tag. We tried it in a one-bedroom apartment with mostly hardwood and tile flooring. On both floor types, the Roborock was able to pick up hair, dirt, and larger chunks of debris like cereal without difficulty. Hair did not seem to get tangled around the brush roll, and any loose strands were easily removed by hand. While we were unable to test it on the carpet, the manufacturer does recommend the vacuum for use on this surface as well. The mapping feature especially impressed us. Setting it up took way less time than anticipated and resulted in an accurate map of the apartment that we were then able to designate and label. Number 4. iRobot Roomba J7. Owning a pet and keeping a tidy home can often feel like polar opposites. But while your robot vacuum won't take your dog for a walk or take care of pet accidents left in the house, it can help keep dirt and pet hair off your floors. We love the iRobot Roomba J7, which did an astounding job at picking up pet hair and dirt without anything getting tangled in the brush roll. This is because the Roomba J7 has rubber brushes on the bottom instead of bristles, which scoop up hair and gunk without excess hair getting caught. The powerful suction allows the vacuum to pick up crumbs and sand with just as much ease on both hard flooring and carpets alike. It received perfect scores on both flooring surfaces, and we found that it was also excellent at maneuvering around socks and other small obstacles scattered on the floor. Number 5. Yeti Mop Station Pro Robot Vacuum. Handle debris, sticky messes, and liquid spills alike with a multi-purpose vacuum and mop. We found that the Yeti Vac Station Pro Robot Vacuum and Mop was quite versatile, cleaning rugs and vinyl plank flooring. While the Yeti Vac Station Robot Vacuum performed well on carpets and hard floors, we particularly loved its mopping feature. It was able to successfully wipe away liquid messes, such as spilled water from a dog bowl, and we found it a useful addition to our nightly routine. While maybe not quite enough for a deep clean, it worked very well for quick jobs. When in mopping mode, this vacuum automatically avoids carpet, so you won't have to worry about it accidentally sudsing up other areas of the house. This is partially thanks to the mapping technology, which learns the layout of your home and helps it to clean more efficiently. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. I hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. Check out the description box if you want to know the product price. Thanks for watching.